welcome to our presentation. This project is given by our respected computer sir. Let's start. Members of our group are me, myself, Priyanka Thapalia, Sambhavi Gautam, Avipsa Paudel, Vipasna Nyopane, Anukumari Mandal, Choisang Tamang, and Pratesa Gautam. Our topic is Introduction to Internet. Introduction. Internet is a global network that enables information to be exchanged all over the world. It is also called network of network. The history of internet began in 1969 AD when US Department of Defense sponsored a project named ARPANET. Internet connects millions of computers together globally, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are both connected to the internet. Components of internet. There are various components of internet. Some of are here: web browser, web server, web chat, hyperlink, homepage, and web page. Now I want to call Sambhavi Gautam.
There.
Sir, I think there is not Sambhavi.
There is.
Here,
What on? Tell. Sambhavi.
Now I want to call Sambhavi to continue.
Priyanka. Web browser. A web browser is an application program used to access and view website. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Apple Safari are some popular web browser. The primary function of a web browser is to render HTML, which is used to design or mark up web pages. WebServe. A WebServe is a computer system that hosts websites. Most web servers are connected to internet through a high-speed connection of faster data transmission rates. A fast internet connection allows WebServe to support multiple connections. Now I want to continue our presentation.
Now I want to call Anu Kumari Mandal to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Shrinka. Website. A website is a special features of the internet which allows user to communicate in real time using easily accessible web inference. It is a types of internet online discussion. Skype, Yahoo, and Messenger are the popular website program. Hyperlink. Hyperlink is a elements is an electronic documents that links to another place in the same documents or to an easy entirely different documents. Typically, we click on the hyperlink to follow the link. Hyperlink is the most essential elements of the hypertext system, including the World Wide Web. Homepage. Homepage is an essential or starting page of the website or a browser. The Italian page of the website is sometimes called main page. We can use various links of homepage to move different pages of a page. Thank
Now I want to call Troisang Tamang.
Chup!
Thank, thank you, Shrinka. Advantage of internet. We can listen songs with the help of internet. We can do online shopping. We can take online classes and chat with our friends or family. Globalization. Disadvantages of internet. Bullying, trolls, struggles, and crimes will be increased spam and or reducing affects focus and passion.
Shrinka Tail now it's done.
This is also son of Troisang Tamang.
An electronic mail is the easiest way of for exchanging the information with one or more than one user. An email address is required to send and receive email. That address is unique to the user. Some people use internet based applications and some of them use program on their computer to access and store emails. An email is a message that may contain text, files, images, or the other attachments sent through or to a specific individual or group of individuals.
Now I want to call Bipasna Nupane to continue our presentation.
Thank you, Shrinka. Advantages of email. It has very limited cost. It is very easy to use. It can send and receive messages instantly. It is easy for record maintenance. Next slide. It allows sending email, sounds, audio, and videos. Next slide. Creating an email. You can create your web based. You can create your web based free email account upon many sites. Some of them are listed below. You can log on to any of these sites and they require they as a unique New user hashtag www.gmail.com hashtag www.outlook.com hashtag www.yahoo.com. Next slide, please. Creating a Gmail account. Get connected. Get connected to the internet system. Now log on to the site hashtag www.gmail.com with the help of any web browser like Opera or Chrome. To register for the very first time, click on the create account. A member registration from will appear. Now I want to pass this to Abhipsa Paudel. Now it's the turn of Abhipsa.
Gmail will ask for the verification of the account. Type your accurate phone number and click on continue to get the verification code. Enter the verification code that you have received in your mobile number and click on verify options. Now you will get a welcome screen. Finally, your Gmail will be ready. Click on the go to Gmail to continue your inbox. Now you will get the email box. Checking emails. Open any web browser and type the address www.gmail.com on the address bar. Type username and password to log on in it and click on the next button. Now check your mails from inbox. Sending mails. You can use to send the mail. Open Gmail account at first. At the top left, click on Compose button. Add the to field, add recipients. If you want, you can also add recipients in the CC and BCC field. Add a subject, write your message, add button of the place, click on send. Browsing the website. Browsing the websites refers to the way of searching the web information, web documents, and websites with the help of various web interface. You can browse the websites with the help of a web browser and search engine. We must have a web browser to view the website. You can use the following steps to start browsing. Open web browser by double clicking on the name of the web browser from desktop and start menu that you have installed. You will get the web browser system. Type the website address and press enter. For example, type www.subharambhapublication.com. Now browse each page for getting information about the respective websites. Now I want to call Pratisha Gautam to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Stenka. Search engine. These are the websites that allow to the user to search information based on keywords. Search engines are used to locate sites and information. www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, www.axe.com, etc. are the popular search engines that following is the dialog box of the Google search engine. Thank you.
Thank you all of you for seeing our presentation. Hope you like it.